Simon Gauzy versus Lin Gaoyuan. A masterclass in grit and tactics. WTTC Finals, Doha 2025, Simon Gauzy has done it again. In one of the craziest matches of the WTTC Finals 2025 in Doha, the French warrior defeated Lin Gaoyuan in a breathtaking battle. This match is not just a highlight, it's a lesson in mental toughness, smart tactics, and pure determination. Lin Gaoyuan started strong, leading 8, won in the deciding game. But then it happened again. The choking label that haunts Lin showed up. From 8, 1 to 13, 11, Simon Gauzy pulled off an unbelievable comeback. Why was this match amazing? Simon didn't just return the ball, he survived. He was off camera half the time, retrieving shots from meters behind the table. Gauzy changed the rhythm completely. Instead of going toe-to-toe in fast rallies, he played deep, long balls, giving Lin just enough space to implode. Lin Gaoyuan was under huge psychological pressure. Simon knew it. That's the genius of this match. Gauzy wasn't just playing physical table tennis, he was playing mental table tennis. Every return, every long ball was a test, not of Lin's skill, but of his nerves. And Lin failed the test. It's a shame this match wasn't on the premier table with live commentary, because this was a clinic. Gauzy has shown once again he's not just a flashy player. He's a monster when it comes to saving points and breaking opponents down mentally and tactically. This match is why we love table tennis. Not just speed, spin, and skill, but heart, strategy, and willpower. Bravo, Simon Gauzy.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.